high.
Hello kids, and welcome to my science tutorial for kids. In today's video, we'll be looking at the dot to dot and color exercise, where we will be connecting the dots of an ambulance. Okay, so if you're ready, I'm ready. Let's get your pen, your paper, your eraser, and the worksheet exercise, and let us begin. Alright, so like you can see in today's exercise, this is what we have. We have an ambulance, which you can see the reference image at the top over here, at the top left over here, and over here on our right, we have the incomplete image of the ambulance where we need to connect dot to dot. Alright, so before we begin, let's write our name first on the worksheet. So we have dot dot and color, and we are supposed to write our name. My name is Samuel, so I'm going to write my name here. Samuel, Samuel. Very good. That is my name. You can write your name. If your name is John, if your name is Janet, any name, you can write your name over there. Now, in this exercise, all we'll be doing, just like in our previous exercise, we will be connecting the dot to dot, but alphabetically. Are you okay? So it means that we'll be connecting from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, from 3 to 4. We'll be connecting them numerically very well, one after the other. So we will not jump any number. So we'll move from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 to 5, all the way to the last number that we have. Now this will help us improve our counting skills, counting of numbers, and also our writing and tracing ability using our pen or pencil in your case. All right, so for me, what I will do over here is that we'll start the exercise. So to start, let's look at where we are going to be starting. So out of all the numbers that we have over here, you can see that we have number 1 over here where my laser is. That is where number 1 is. So we have number 1, number 2 here, number 3 here, number 4, number 5, number 6, all the way. If we go to the top, we can see 22 here, 23, 24, 25. Okay, all the way down here we have 28 here, 29 here, and then 30 here, which means that our last number to complete this ambulance is 30. So we'll start from 1 and go all the way to 30. All right, beautiful. Let's take our pencil and start. So for me, I'm going to start by connecting the dots. So I'm using black. So I'll connect from 1 to 2. Okay, so from 1 to 2 like this. Then from 2, then I'll move to 3. So from 2 to 3 like this. From 3, then I'll go to 4. Okay, 3 to 4. Then from 4, I'll go to 5. Then from 5, I'll go to 6. 5. And go to 6. Are we okay? Try as much as possible to look at the reference image and try to follow what it looks like. It shouldn't always be a straight line. Don't use a ruler for it. If you use a ruler, you will not get the actual shape of the car. So just freehand sketch, no ruler. Just allow your hand to move across the paper and then you connect the dots. Okay, beautiful. So from 6, we'll move to 7. From 7, we'll move to 8. From 8, then we will move to 9 like this. Very good. Okay, so you just follow the dots. So currently we are on number 9. From number 9, we'll move to number 10. So from 9, we'll go to 10. From 10, we go to 11. From 11 to 12. And from 12, we move to 13, 14, and then we curve all the way up to 15. Very good. Now you can see that this is the bottom of the ambulance is looking almost like what we have in the reference picture on our left. So we are doing great so far. Wonderful. So from 15, we move to 16. From 16, then we go to 17, then from 17 to 18, 18 to 19, then from 19 to 20, from 20 then we move to 21, from 21 we move to 22, from 22 we'll move to 23, then from 23 we move to 24, from 24 we move to 25. Very good. And from 25 we can come down here like this to 26, from 26 to 27, 27 to 28, 28 to 29, and then lastly from 29 to 30. All right, very good. Clap for yourselves. Wonderful, wonderful. So we did create in the first part of this exercise, that is the dot to dot. So we connected from dot to dot, from number to number numerically. So from 1 to 2, from 2 to 3, all the way to the last number that we have, which is 30. All right. So now that we are done with the dot to dot, the next thing we have to do is to color. Okay. We will need to apply color. Okay. Now, if we look at the vehicle that we have over here, the vehicle has a gray color. So if you look at the reference image, we have a gray color over here. So what we'll do is that because I don't have gray, I am going to use a different color for the body of the car. Okay, so I will be using, let me use light blue. I'll be using light blue for the body. Are we okay? But for you, if you have your pencils, okay, if you have your color pencils with you, okay, just like you can see over here, I have my color pencils here. Or if you have crayons, let me pick some crayons for us to see. So you can either use color pencils or you can use crayons. As you can see over here, you can use crayons for your coloring. But for me, because I'm using the software, I will be using the colors that I have on the machine. Okay, so you can use your pencil and you can use your crayon, any of them. So you look at the image, you select the appropriate color, and then you do the coloring. All right, so let's begin. So we can see that we have, let me label the colors that we have. So first of all, we can see red color over here, red. Then we can see blue, okay, color blue over there. And basically we can see gold here, gold, or somebody can say yellow. The tire is black, and then we can see gray for the body of the car. Now, because I don't have color gray, I will be using light blue for the body. So I'll start first with the color of the body. Are we okay? So I'll put my color in here. I'll look at it. Where there is gray, I'll put color blue over there. Okay, try as much as possible to have your color or your painting inside or within the lines that you can see. Okay, so before I continue with the blue, let me go ahead, and over here I have gold, so let me put the gold there just so that I don't color it by accident using a different color. So let me put the gold here, then let me also put the gold here, the gold color there as well. Okay, then the next color is red. I have red, so I'll put the red here just like I can see. So I have red here. Okay, so over here to red, all the way to the back over here. So here is also red. So just take your time and color your drawing. Very good. Okay, Very good. Now I can see red on the cheeks over here, so I'll put red there. Over here to red. Okay, now I can see that the top over here too is red, so I'll put red there. Okay, so this small window over here too is red. This one also is red. Then this one is also red. And then this side is also red. And then we have this side also red. So I'll put red here like this. Okay. So over here to red. Alright. Okay. So now that I'm done with the red, let me use the blue, which is the actual blue for the other windows. So this one is blue. So this side is also blue. Okay. This side is blue. And then this side is blue. Now if you look at it, you can decide to leave it like this because it looks just like an ambulance, but because we've already started with light blue for the body, let's continue that way. Okay, so over here you just fill in here with blue. Okay, just enjoy the process and color to your heart's content. Very good. Okay, so we're done here. So color here as well, light blue. Okay, so we'll do here as well, blue. Then we'll do this side. Then we'll do here as well, blue. Then we'll complete it by filling all the other portions with blue. Alright, very good. Okay, very good. So I put in the other empty spaces. I put the blue there. Okay. Okay, very good. So we are almost done. So I will not go in for the front over here and use black. Okay, let me just leave that the way it is because the black is making it not visible. Okay, so the black will go for the tire of the vehicle. Okay, so I'll just put it at this side of the vehicle. All right, very good, very good. So yeah, basically this is how you do the dot to dot and color exercise. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the session just as much as I also did. You can see that the outcome of the drawing or the exercise is very beautiful. Even though the colors are all scattered around, that is the beauty of being a kid, and that is the beauty of learning. So thank you once again for joining for today's dot to dot and color lesson, and I will see you in the next dot to dot and color lesson video. All right, bye bye.